Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essentials. Apple ID signed in on your iPhone with two-factor authentication and a matching billing address. Once ready, open Wallet, tap the plus sign, and select Apple Card to start the application flow. You'll be asked for name, date of birth, last four of SSN, and income. Provide accurate values because they directly affect approval and available credit. Make sure to pause only to verify numbers. Don't invent details. Accuracy speeds approval. Next, you move through verification and underwriting. Enter income, monthly housing payment, and employment details so the issuer can assess affordability. If prompted, quickly upload a photo ID or documents. This reduces manual review and delays. Once the system calculates results, you'll see a preliminary APR range and estimated credit limit. Review these values and decide whether to accept or request a different offer. If you accept, confirm terms and authorize a soft pull. Finally, accept the offer to immediately add your Apple Card to Wallet so you can use the digital card for purchases. If you want the titanium physical card, order it and activate by following the in-app prompts when it arrives. If the application is declined, don't panic. Check your credit report for errors, ensure SSN and income were entered correctly, wait 30 days before reapplying, or contact Apple Card support for specific guidance and documentation requests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.